Hello, welcome to Poem Strings. I'm Henriette and today we are going to learn the diminished seventh starting on G as it is set in the ABRSM syllabus for grade 5. It is one of those things that often gets left to last when it comes to learning scales, and it is great to have a little bit of time today in this video to break it down and go over it slowly. Some of my pupils find it very tricky, and they say they forget it very easily, so hopefully we will find a way together to make learning the diminished sevenths a bit easier for you and a bit of fun to learn. So let's go get your instrument and let's get started. So I'll play the diminished seventh starting on G for you first, and then we'll take it very slowly step by step, and I'm hoping you're joining in with your instrument. You can pause this video anytime if you need to go over things again, so feel free to do that, but let me play it for you first. So you may have noticed that this starts with a diminished arpeggio. First we'll play a minor third from G to B flat, that is this bit. And now we'll add a D flat to it. E, first finger on the D string, and then 3. So we'll start again. So if you're only just learning that today, that's absolutely fine. Go over this bit a couple of times for yourself before then going down again. There we go. Now let's think about the way down once more, because what I'd like you to do when you go from here, you want to bring your elbow underneath the violin. You can just see it here where my elbow swings under the violin. When my elbow swings under, it helps my pinky reach that D flat which comes next. Okay, so let's now practice it with that elbow swing. Okay, when you get familiar with this section, you're doing great. And now I'd like you to play it 3 times in a row. So in my part, I've written a repeat in, and I'm just going to play that over and over again. Let's do it 3 times in a row. Thank you for joining in with me there. You did really well, and now you're starting to learn that diminished seventh. It also helps if you know what you're doing, so you're not just playing fingers, but you're actually playing letter names of notes. So let's go over the letter names together. We started on a G, then we played a B flat, D flat, E and G. And I always really think, I believe that when you know what you're doing, you know your letter names, G, B flat, D flat, E, G, then it's much easier to remember. So we might this time try to say the words out loud, the letters out loud, while we play it one last time. G, B flat, D flat, next up is E, G, and on the way down I actually don't say the letter names, I go the same way down as I've come up. Thank you for watching and good luck with your practice. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so.